Hi YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to make white goo. I just try to make this because I'm bored. You need cornstarch, a plate, and water. The first thing you do is you get your cornstarch out, and then you pour it in. Pour it in your plate. This, and then put some water. Mix it. And then you're done. Ha ha ha. Bye.